Wait, hang on. May affect the brain or nervous system, causing dizziness, headache, or nausea. Causes eye, nose, throat, and skin irritation. That's with most chemicals, I guess. Overexposure may cause kidney damage. What the f***? Alright, gloves, mask, whatever else I can find here. What's up, y'all? Welcome back. So today is the, God, what a glare. Okay, so today's episode is going to be kind of two parts. I did the grinding one day, and today we're doing the coating. So let's jump into the grinding clips and check all that out, and then we'll keep going from there. This is going pretty well. As you can see, it is getting cleaned up, and there's still some spots there, in here, and in here, but the wheel's too big, so we're going to use a smaller one and get on in there. I do want to pop in here real quick. I shouldn't have to say this, but I'm going to because, you know, I feel comfortable doing it this way. By no means do I mean you do it that way. Ask someone to help, put it in a clamp, something, so it's a little more stable when you're grinding things. Use your judgment, you know what I mean? But yeah, that's my little disclaimer, and let's make some more sparks.
Many hours later.
Alright, so this is the stuff I was talking about using. I bought a little 6-pack because apparently it dries super fast, so I figured little small containers would be easier to do in sections and stuff. So we'll take one of those out, and I'm going to read the instructions on here just to make sure I'm prepping everything right and all that good stuff. So let's do that and get this open and start coating this here beam. Alright, we got yada yada, we got clean, prep, coat, it's already cleaned, bare metal, health hazard information, warning. You got harmful vapors, yeah, that's with everything, I guess. Wait, hang on. May affect the brain or nervous system, causing dizziness, headache, or nausea. Causes eye, nose, throat, and skin irritation. That's with most chemicals, I guess. Overexposure may cause kidney damage. What the fuck? Alright, gloves, mask, whatever else I can find here. It says to do thin coats, so I'm going to do one little thin one. It has to dry for quite a while, so this may carry on into the night, maybe. I may come back out in the garage and put another coat on there. But yeah, let's get the first coat down and see what we can do. Okay, so I guess we're just going to start. Come on. Just come off. My God, any moment. I can't even get it open. Did I get a bad batch and it's already like hardened? Holy crap, you gotta be kidding me. I'm gonna get this and it's gonna splash out, hit me in the face, and then... What the hell? You must be joking me. So the fucking... the lid is not even cut. Okay, so I'm sitting there thinking, it's like, I'm either a fucking idiot or the can is designed this way. So I don't know. I've seen them open the cans online and they just pop it off. That one apparently is not that way. Okay, so as you can see, this can is either designed to not have the lid come off or is severely flawed. But anyway, it might be better because once this stuff is opened, the clock starts ticking. If you get the liquid on the can and then put the lid onto that, it's a done deal. It's going to seal and there's no getting it off. So I saw a guy, he poked a hole in the top of the can. You can pour it out and then put a self-tapping screw into it to seal it, and it seems to work okay. So let's poke a hole in it and go from there. And there it is, fully coated. It's probably a little thicker than recommended, but I mean, I tried to do it thin. I do, if you ask me, I'm no pro, but I do recommend using that sponge instead of a brush. I feel like a brush would just fling it everywhere, but yeah. With that being said, I think it's going to end it off on this one. I'm going to let that dry, like I said, for a while, and then I'll throw a second coat on later. And yeah, I was a little nervous about this project, but turned out awesome, I think. No one's going to see it anyway, I just didn't want it to rust entirely. So thanks for watching, I do appreciate it very much as always, and drop a comment down below on what you think, thoughts, tips, anything like that. Be glad to see it. And yeah, do all the other YouTube stuff as well. It does help out a bunch, as I always say. Catch you next time. Bye! Oh yeah, before I forget, I hope you enjoyed the spark shots today because it fucked up the GoPro. At least with the lens anyway. I guess the sparks hitting it just caused all kinds of damage to it. So hopefully in future shots you won't see the little dots, but yeah, can't change it now.